99% of AI startups won't make it past 2026.
Trying to build the next AI unicorn, you might not even make it past 2026, along with the other 99% of AI startups. What are the reasons AI startups will fail? 1. Building tech no one needs. No real problem is equal to no real product. This is the #1 killer. 2. Burn rate is greater than customer growth. Without paying users, you're just burning cash and time. 3. It's not about AI. Customers don't care if it's AI. They care if it works. Value is greater than tech buzz. 4. Lopsided or burnt-out teams. Lack of expertise kills AI startups. Good tech without execution is equal to failure. Good execution without working tech is equal to failure. Balanced teams matter. 5. Built on rented tech. Relying OpenAI's APIs, Anthropic, etc. is dangerous. When prices spike or APIs change, your entire product will crumble. 6. Competing with giants blindly. You're not just racing startups, you're racing Google, Microsoft, OpenAI. If your product can be built in a weekend with a few prompts, you'll be crushed. 7. Speed without stability. Speed is great, but if it's at the cost of scalability, reliability, or usability, it'll fall apart in the real world. 8. No trust, no users. No one's going to use your AI tool if they think it's stealing data or breaking laws. If you don't have your privacy, compliance, and transparency sorted, forget selling to enterprises. How do you avoid the 99% death zone? Validate before you build. Solve one painful problem. Talk to real users. Prove ROI. Monetize early. Iterate fast. Prioritize paying users. Avoid solo genius traps. Build around defensible value. Minimize API dependencies. Balance your founding team. Build around defensible value. Own core functionality. Go niche. Go deep. Be transparent with data. Only those will survive who'll deliver value and outlast the noise. Contact Excellent Webworld if you're serious about building a real AI business. We've shipped 900+ digital products across 18+ industries with real impact, backed by a 300+ strong AI-first team. Excellent Webworld helps you build smarter, faster, and for the long haul.